Nina. Today we're going to make a pumpkin quesadilla. We're gonna carve faces of scary or silly faces into tortillas and make quesadillas. All right, and then we're going to enjoy these pumpkin-shaped quesadillas at our Halloween party with just the 4 of us because
we're acting like the Halloween party's like a different location. I'm just saying.
The Halloween party's just in our sunroom. I'll show you guys after. Anyways, all right, let's get started. We're gonna use Mission flour tortillas. We're gonna put them on a plate and then carve the faces into the tortillas.
Don't get your stupid nose.
Let's look at Amrit so far. Ooh, look at it. It's so cool. So this is the kind of cutout shapes you need to make. This gives everyone a chance to be creative in the types of faces and designs you make. After you're done with the design, we're going to be toasting both sides of the tortilla just because we don't want the cheese to leak out, so we gotta
Abso-freaking-lutely
toast this first. This is Justy's design. What did you draw, man? I mean, what did you make, man?
So I drew a smiley face, but then I didn't.
Pretty mad.
Then I didn't.
I don't think that's a smiley face.
Oh, really?
No, it's like supposed to be a small smiley face.
Yeah,
and it looks like a pissed off guy yelling at someone.
No, really? I think he's like laughing. You know?
Oh, it's a laughing evil. Oh, it's an evil laugh.
No, it's an evil smile slash.
Yes.
Laugh. This shape can mean many things.
This is an evil tortilla. Sim, what did you make?
So I made an angry ghost.
Ooh, that's so cute.
Yeah.
That looks perfect.
I didn't have the brows before, but I wanted to make it angry, so it was just
that looks
to
perfect.
Make it more like creepy.
Yeah, exactly. I ended up making a scary spider, or a monster, I guess, with 4 eyes. So for the pumpkin quesadillas, we're going to use Fiesta blend cheese, but you can use any shredded cheese. All right, one side is toasted, so the other side is not cooked right now. That's why we're gonna use this time to our advantage. Put the shredded cheese on, and then you're gonna put on the pumpkin face. There you go.
No,
yeah, we're gonna put the more toasted side on the bottom. So we can let this side cook.
What is?
Once one side is toasted, flip it to the next side, put the shredded cheese on right away.
Put bell peppers if you want it.
Yep, or veggies or whatever you want. Now we're gonna put on the carved tortilla. All right, and after about a couple seconds, we're gonna flip it over. You gotta press it down and then you can flip it over. Wow, look at that. That looks beautiful and ready to eat. And your pumpkin quesadillas are ready to eat. Now we're going to enjoy our amazing buffet of Halloween treats for our Halloween party. Yum. They're too hungry to wait. Grab everything and go all in.
Oh yeah.
What are you guys doing?
They're eating. Come on, get your plate, man. Special thanks to Simran and Justy for making these chocolate pretzels.
Special thanks not accepted.
This looks amazing. Can't wait to eat them.
Thanks for the nice food, you guys.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, guys, it is time to test out these pumpkin quesadillas. How do they taste? Who's gonna eat it first? How is it?
It's really good.
Oh my God, yes. How do you like it, Amrit?
It's really good. It's really good with sauces.
You got salsa, spicy guac, and hummus. Jesse, how do you like the pumpkin quesadilla, man?
Oh, it's so good.
You didn't even eat it yet.
I was gonna say that. Delicious. It's so good.
Bruh!
This tastes like blood, which is good.
Yeah, this is the goblet of blood that we have, which is actually cranberry juice.
You can't say that.
Yeah.
Sorry. And we are drinking blood with our meal for tonight. Now it's my turn to try the pumpkin-shaped quesadilla.
Yeah, well, you're you, so it's normal.
Mmm. Oh my god, with the guac, it tastes so good.
Oh my god, that bite was better than the first.
Oh my god!
Mmm. That's really good. This is a perfect recipe to have at a Halloween party or for your kids as a fun activity. This is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend you guys making it and trying it out at home. Cheers.
That was such a pity laugh.
So how do you guys like the Halloween decorations?
Absolutely amazing.
Isn't it? Thanks guys. I put like cobwebs everywhere. Oh my. What?
Stop.
Zombie.
Oh, Chris Walker.
I didn't even. A murderer?
Serial killer.
A serial killer? What? Oh, you're the imposter in Among Us! I knew it! That's a character from Among Us, you guys. It's a very popular video game. Basically, in the game, you gotta murder everybody and try not to get caught. Okay, Sim, you're up.
Oh man, I don't know.
You got this, bro.
Okay, wait.
Maleficent. Okay.
Okay, please don't.
Just, can you, why are you? Every go to you. Go the other way. I'm gonna talk to you without the camera. I'm right. Can you move your big fat head?
Yeah, move your big head.
Get out of here.
You're a witch. You did sound effects wish.
No, guys, come on. We gotta be fair. We can't.
Fair.
It's not. Sorry. We
I
can't.
wouldn't be talking, Joker.
Oh! Yeah, revenge!
He even looks like the Joker.
Wait, Neetu, were you recording when I was trying to talk to you? Like when you went all.
Yeah.
Oh, you were? Okay, come on, little vampire girl. Get up there.
What happens when there's only boy? I'm just watching. No.
My turn.
Yeah, see?
Dang it.
That is total little vampire.
Okay. Spider.
Spider.
Wall.
Werewolf.
You can't do sound effects.
Oh yeah.
Magician.
What the heck? Oh my god, how'd you get it over so quick?
Do it.
Clap your arms
Bro!
and then you're a bat.
Well, you know what?
Bro! You suck! Suck!
Okay, stop.
Oh, I was so close. Bye. Bye.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we didn't even explain what our costumes were or what we were for Halloween. So I'm gonna explain my look. I am a gothic vampire. So I have dark makeup and a choker, looking as goth as possible with black lipstick and a black dress.
So I am Maleficent, and I have like the whole dress and everything. I have my horn.
Yes.
I wore red lipstick and a dark eye look.
Are you wearing a watch?
Yeah, that's
I don't
not part of
think
the look.
I don't think she has.
Especially a smartwatch.
Red.
I is witch.
Yeah.
Alright, that's all we need for Umret. I don't know what I am. Alright, thank you guys so much.
No,
Thanks
just
for
for
watching.
watching.
Thank you
Stop.
for watching.
Not here. Just a Joker. You're a Joker.
I'm a jokester.
Neetu did our makeup.
She did mine.
She did mine.
Pretty trash.
Oh yeah, I did their makeup. I drew a spider web on Umrit's eye, and I drew that on Jesse's face. So I hope you guys like it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoyed our cute little activity of the pumpkin quesadillas. I really thought it was unique. I saw it on Google and I'm like, oh my god, I have to try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to watch my Halloween video that I made last year. I'll link it down below in the description box, so don't forget to watch it. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.